Shivangi Shri. I am in 9A and I am studying in Jubilee Hills Public School. I am here for an Avinya and T-Hub collaboration contest of Captain India, and I've been selected as a wild card. I'm very excited to take part in this.
I'm Sheikh Busha Fatima from Springfields International School. Here I am selected for Avinya competition for my painting.
About like Edodwaja is purely based on lab on wheels concept. So basically what happens, we are actually, India is like a backward and kind of a technology when it comes to the rural areas. They don't have access to the new technologies which are emerging, like VR, robotics and all this stuff, Web3, etc. So in Edodwaja, we are providing a mobile laboratory which is equipped with technologies like AR, VR, where it is movable to any place. Like education should reach to the students wherever the location it could be. So that's the concept. Like we will provide the vehicle to each and every place so that students can actually come over and get to learn about the new technologies. We will have some mobile application where you guys can just register and keep on learning. Thank you. We have a stall over here where you can experience our bus, which is based on the lab on wheels. So that's a virtual reality over there. You can just experience it.
It is said, the mind that conceives and believes is the mind that achieves.
Our team is Edodwaja. We are going to provide a lab on wheels wherein we are going to provide all these robotics and other courses. So we will be coming to the schools and providing the lab.
Hello, my name is Sakina Fatima. I am from the Premier Academy. I make this picture. My dream is I become doctor. Then I become real doctor. Thank you.
We're here for an art competition that we got selected in, that we got to share our ideas. Today we were able to hear about many inspirational speakers that we got really inspired from, and we also got to see many startup companies, which was really helpful for us.
I really like the initiative that Avinya brings to us that gives each and every child an opportunity to participate.
Avinya is giving opportunity to people to explore their ideas, and it supports the ideas and innovations in young people basically.
Today my visit to T-Hub was very awesome and I have learned many new things.
And we learned many things from here, like many people were telling about Indian mythology and the history.
Today we have learned a lot of useful things.
Now we are at T-Hub, so we learned a lot of things like robotics, and the innovations of here are very great. We had the knowledge of these robotics and the innovations here and the technology of the digital TVs and everything. So we can learn much about from here, and all the students had a lot of fun here. All the games and everything.
Till now we are only getting to know what's happening inside the classroom, but after coming here we got to know what's happening outside the classroom also. And they are also motivating us to join the new courses and what are the courses going outside the world. So we got to know many new things over here.
I saw many new devices and experienced them, even that VR